So be wary of this road that you come up. And I'm going to explain when we see the road signs at the top. At the moment the road is wide. Just where the hedge is at the top, where the hedge has been cut, there's a road sign, and it tells us where somebody's walking that their roads are going to become narrower. So I'm still building up my speed here, no problem, on 26, 27, just past this bend where the white van is. Yeah, the roads will start to get narrower. Where the red car is, that's where it gets a little bit more narrower. So I'm just watching my speed. I'm just braking gently because the car next to me is very close to the center line. So I'm being extra careful here. Less space, less speed. It depends on the situation. I had to drop to 11, I wasn't sure. So I came in, as I tell my learner, slow motion mode. The road is still narrow. So just be wary here.